All right, here we go. Guys, welcome. This is a five box break of 2014-15 Totally Certified Basketball. This is eBay, April 13th. Okay, we got Lucas with the Hawks, Nets and the Bulls, Kevin with the Celtics, Queen with the Hornets and the Raptors, Kyle, Cavs, Rockets, Clippers, Bucks, 76ers, the Kings, Stevie Ann, Mavericks, and Nuggets, Elton, Pistons, Lakers, Jazz, Jeremy, Pacers, Grizzlies, Knicks, Wizards, Scott with the Warriors, Ted with the Heat, Sun, Spurs, Marcus, Timberwolves, and Magic, Derek with the Pelicans, and Mark with the Thunder, and Paul with the Trailblazers. 10:01 p.m. Monday, April 13th, Eastern Time. And let me just take care of this real here. Okay. All right, guys. Good luck. Let's start with the first box. This is a serial number. It's a little blocked out. 384998. And here we go. All cards ship, and I always send something extra for hitless participants. So you're not going to get an index card. You'll get something more than that. That's how I do case breaks or multi-box breaks. 4 packs a box. There should be a hit in each pack. All right. Paul George, we got a die cut purple of Deron Williams for the Nets. This is number 22 out of 25. Low number. Nice. Not too bad. Deron for the Nets. I think they're losing tonight. Kevin Love, not numbered 133 out of 299 for the Cavs. And our first hit, Noah Vonleh for the Hornets. That's the one color, 245 out of 249. And a base card of David West. All right, Stephon Curry. We got a red of Sean Kemp. This is number 233 out of 279. This goes to the Thunder because it's Sonics. We got a Shaq. We got a auto James Ennis for the Heat. Present potential red, numbered 7 out of 25 for Miami. Sticker auto. We got a dummy card, and we got Dwayne Wade also for the Heat base. Ginobili, Shaq, Gary Harris. We got a blue of Roy Hibbert. 43 out of 149. And nice for the Timberwolves. No auto, but one color of Andrew Wiggins, 73 out of 299. So, big rookie hit there. Last pack, first box. Mitch Richmond, TJ Warren. We got a red die cut of Anthony Davis, 39 out of 135. Yeah, it always goes, well, it's the Timberwolves because that's on the card. It's not the Cavs. It's whoever's on the card. So this is Timberwolves. I don't know if the autos are Cavaliers. I have no idea. I haven't pulled one out yet. Rajon Rondo for the Celtics, 130 out of 199. Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know that. So all the autos, I guess, for Wiggins are Cavaliers, huh? Oh, okay. That's if that came out, then the Cavs would get it. 130 out of 199 for Rondo. And Brandon Jennings base. All right, second box, guys. This is numbered. If it focuses, you can see it. Sorry about that. There it is, 0929899318. All right, Blake Griffin, Marcus Smart. We got a red die cut of Ray Allen for the Heat. 61 out of 135. And again, sorry about the focus. I tried my best with this camera. But 61 out of 135. Thaddeus Young for the Timberwolves. 202 out of 299. One color. And an Alonzo Mourning for the Heat base. Joakim Noah. Red of Chris Paul. 34 out of 279. You got a red of Jordan Adams. 128 out of 279. For the Hornets, 2 out of 249 autograph rookie roll call PJ Harston. This is on card. Dummy card and Shaq. Yeah, I know Shaq's a lot of base of Shaq. There's always a lot of base of Shaquille O'Neal, I noticed. Alright, Tyson Chandler. We got a purple Mitch McGary. 21 out of 25. A little number die cut for Thunder. Gold of DeMar DeRozan. Number 205 out of 299. And a Damian Lillard, one color for the Trailblazers. 2 out of 249. And again, I apologize for the focus. I think I got to get better lighting here. Lillard and a base of Steve Adams. Jeremy Holiday, Jrue Holiday, Damian Rudez. We got a Kevin Love base. We got another Rondo, one color for the Celtics. Second one of Rondo, same card, 244 out of 299. And Mitch Richmond. Box number 3, 384993436. We got Kareem, Mitch McGary base. We got a Kobe base. Tyler Ennis for the Suns, one color. 214 out of 249. If you can see it, 214 out of 249. And a Thaddeus Young base card. Drexler, PJ Hairston, Magic Johnson, red, 124 out of 35, 135 die cut for the Lakers. And Zach LaVine, one color for the Timberwolves. Another Timberwolves hit. King of the Dunk, 124 out of 249. Ty Lawson. Sean Marion. Got Nene red. 97 out of 279. For the Heat, number Great American Hero Dwayne Wade. Nice looking card with the flag. 169 out of 299. And for the Timberwolves, another autograph. Glenn Robinson. It's a Minnesota box. This is on card. Not the prettiest auto. 156 out of 299. Dummy card and Deron Williams. Yeah, they're taking it home, the Timberwolves. Got a couple of nice. I mean, nothing major, one color patches, but not too bad. Gerald Henderson, Jeremy Lin, 44 out of 74, blue. Kawhi Leonard, 234 out of 279, red. And we got an Epics of Joakim Noah, 11 out of 149. Two colors for the Bulls. And Kenneth Faried base. Three eight four 998131, box number 4. Got Magic, Adrian Payne, Gold Excellence of Russell Westbrook, 278 out of 299. Ty Lawson, Clear Clot for the Nuggets, 123 out of 199. And Kyrie Irving base. No Warriors yet, B-ball. A lot of Timberwolves came out. Kareem, Mitch McGarry, got a blue of DeAndre Jordan, 101 out of 149. See it, 101 out of 149. And Andrew Wiggins again. This one red, 163 out of 199. Another Timberwolf. And a Jared Sullinger. It's Minnesota box. Zach Randolph. We got LeBron red. Cavs, 44 out of 279. Wilt the Stilt base. And we got Bill Laimbeer, Legend Auto on card for the Pistons. 56 out of 99. Veteran hit. Dummy card and Enes Kanter Jazz. Paul George, we got a purple of Alex Len, 20 out of 49 for the Suns. Roy Herbert, red, 113 out of 135 die cut. Andrew Bogut, 234, 249, yellow for the Warriors. So yes, B-ball, you got a Warriors hit right here. And Chris Bosh. Last box, guys. 384988407. Marcin Gortat. Got DeMarcus Cousins, 109 out of 279, red. We got a Bill Walton to Trailblazers, 106 out of 299. This is Great American Heroes. And for the Celtics, Dave Cowens, 23 out of 25, autograph. Celtics. Dummy card and Tim Duncan. Joakim Noah. Dwayne Wade, 18 out of 74, Heat. Blue. We got Jabari Parker, red. 16 out of 279 for the Bucks. And a Dwight Howard Epics, 101 out of 199. Just the one color. Shawn Kemp. Anthony Bennett, Aaron Gordon, Luol Deng, 5 out of 135. Joe Dumars, patch, Pistons, 137 out of 149. And Steven Adams. Alright guys, last pack. Al Halford, Jabari Parker base. We got Oscar Robinson base. Jason Kidd, 99 out of 99. This goes to the Suns, one color. And a Sergei Ibaka. And that is it, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Like I said before, Hitless will get something. So everybody gets something, okay? I take care of everyone as best as I can. And that's it. I'll get these cards out, shipped out by this coming Wednesday. They should be at the post office. And guys, thanks again. And have a good night.